This week on Building Charles James, we take a mini road trip to Redondo Beach, California to redo the White Oak Bar at Gabi James. We're about to go shopping for this bar project that we're about to complete tonight. Just need a couple materials, mainly masking, going to get some plastics, blue tape, you know, all the fixings. So we picked up the TC Pro Graco sprayer, and this is going to be for the job tonight, just to make it nice and smooth. I'm going to go through a startup real quick with you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the Graco sprayer. We're going to go ahead and take the knob. It's going to go on this side. Turn it on. Open the latch. Squeeze it out until we can't hear it anymore. Oh, there we go. Boom, perfect. And what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and start this up with water. We'll hit it for 3 to 10 seconds, which we're just gonna do 10 seconds. So that basically built up all the pressure in our, put a lot of bubbles. It's kind of crazy because we're gonna be spraying a polyurethane later. So if there's bubbles in my polyurethane, we're gonna have to go over with a little bit of heat to get rid of the bubbles. But we should be able to spray right now, so just kind of see what kind of spray pattern we're gonna get. We're just gonna go with a flat. Let's check this out. It's actually really nice, pretty consistent too. So this basically is ready to go. We just primed it, and why I wanted to do that was I wanted to make sure that it's clear of any sort of chemicals, and it works. I'm here waiting for my burrito. Midnight meal. It's only 9 o'clock, but I'm about to start this bar project, and everything looks like it's good. I got all my equipment, I'm all packed up, ready to go. Restaurant closes at 10, so walk right in, set up, and we'll get to work, guys. All right, here we go. Gabi James. We'll go refinish the bar.
From this distant vantage point, the Earth might not seem of any particular interest. But for us, it's different. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines. Every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization. Every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, every saint and sinner in the history of our species.
That was a ton of work. My gosh. I'm just finished with the first coat, and I'm probably gonna be able to do about two more. The first coat went on nice and thick, so super stoked. Look at how matte it's getting over here. It's really good. It's getting good, so we're gonna keep it up. The Graco sprayer is really cool. I had to dial in exactly how much pressure I wanted. I think I have it set at 5, in between 5 and 6 right now. So that's comfortable for me to be able to walk in a straight line all the way down the bar. Look, oh my God, I can touch your hair. Sweet, looking beautiful. I just shot the second coat. Let's check it out. So I'm waiting for the second coat to dry, and we'll see what happens from there. Just finished up the bar here at Gabi James in Redondo Beach. Ooh-wee. It's actually almost 6 a.m. and a total of 3 coats. Bar looks amazing. Some damage that I was not able to repair, but it was pretty cool. So I appreciate you watching Building Charles James. Please, if you like what you saw, subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week. Next week on Building Charles James, we build a portafilter handle from an 80-year-old piece of cherry wood burl. See you next week.